Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. Today I made an easy donut recipe that you're going to love. Let's dive right in and get started without wasting any time. First, I take 1/2 cup of warm milk, add 2 teaspoons of yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 egg, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then I beat everything together nicely for about 5 minutes. Next, I add 2½ cups of all-purpose flour and knead it for around 15 minutes. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Your support means the world to me and motivates me to create more content. While kneading, I also add 2 tablespoons of butter. Honestly, it's hard for me to knead with gloves on, so I'm taking them off. As I knead, I gradually add a little more milk to keep the dough soft. If these donuts turn out soft, I might just open a donut shop. Haha. Now, I grease a bowl with some oil and place the dough in it. Covering it until it doubles in size. Let it rise at room temperature. Once the dough has doubled, it's ready. I flatten it out on a cutting board or rolling surface. Then use a small round cutter to shape the donuts. I'd love to know where you're watching from, so feel free to leave a comment and tell me. I'm so curious to know where all my subscribers are tuning in from. Next, I fry them in hot oil over low flame. Watch as they puff up and change in size. Once they turn golden brown, take them out of the oil. Don't forget to let me know how yours turns out in the comments. And as always, please like and subscribe. And there you have it, delicious homemade donuts. You can dust them with powdered sugar or add any flavor you like. Enjoy! That's it for today. I'll see you in my next video. Allah Hafiz and take care.